Welcome to the Fact Hub channel. What if I told you that somewhere in the vastness of space, there could be a tunnel that allows you to travel across the universe in the blink of an eye? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's something scientists call a wormhole, and today, we're diving into the mystery of these cosmic shortcuts. Let's start with the basics. Space is unimaginably huge. If we want to travel to another star or galaxy, the distances are so vast that even traveling at the speed of light would take us thousands, even millions of years. But wormholes offer a theoretical solution, a shortcut through space-time itself. A wormhole is like folding the fabric of space and time. Imagine you want to get from point A to point B, which are far apart. Normally, you'd have to travel along the surface of space, a long journey. But if you could bend space-time, bringing points A and B closer together, you could travel through a shortcut, the wormhole. So, what exactly is a wormhole? Technically, it's a tunnel-like structure connecting two separate points in space-time. Wormholes are solutions to Einstein's equations of general relativity, which describe how gravity works and how massive objects bend space-time. In 1935, Albert Einstein and physicist Nathan Rosen proposed the idea of a bridge in space-time, what we now call a wormhole. This idea comes directly from Einstein's theory of general relativity, which shows that space and time are interconnected and can be warped by gravity. But here's the catch: while the math says wormholes are possible, they come with a lot of challenges. Most wormholes would collapse almost immediately after forming. They need something exotic to keep them open. To keep a wormhole open, you would need something called exotic matter, which, in theory, has negative energy. This would prevent the wormhole from collapsing under the force of its own gravity. However, we've never observed exotic matter in the universe, so it's still purely theoretical. Wormholes have long been a staple of science fiction. Movies like Interstellar and TV shows like Star Trek have popularized the idea of using them for interstellar travel, allowing ships to traverse the universe in mere moments. But could we ever use a wormhole to travel across the universe or maybe even through time? Well, some theories suggest that if a wormhole connects two different points in time as well as space, it could allow time travel. But this leads to all sorts of paradoxes, like the famous grandfather paradox. The grandfather paradox asks, what happens if you travel back in time and prevent your grandparents from meeting? Would you cease to exist? These kinds of paradoxes raise serious questions about the nature of time and whether wormholes could ever allow for time travel. Although wormholes remain speculative, researchers are actively exploring whether quantum physics could one day make wormholes more than just a mathematical curiosity. Theories like quantum gravity and string theory may hold the key to understanding if these cosmic shortcuts are real and usable. If wormholes do exist and we can figure out how to harness them, they could revolutionize space exploration, allowing us to travel to distant galaxies, or maybe even alternate universes. But for now, the idea of stepping through a wormhole remains in the realm of theory. Whether or not we'll ever pass through a wormhole, the concept challenges us to think big. It pushes the boundaries of what we know about the universe and opens up possibilities for the future of space exploration, time travel, and even the nature of reality itself. So, what do you think? Will wormholes remain a fascinating idea, or could they one day be the key to unlocking the mysteries of the universe? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of space.